Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Jira attachments after upload issues, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Jira attachments after upload issues, start by identifying the specific problem you are facing. Check if the attachment is missing from the issue or if you are encountering an upload error. Log into your Jira account and navigate to the project where the issue is located. Locate the issue associated with the missing attachments. Open the issue to view its details. Examine the activity log for any error messages related to the attachment upload. If you see any errors, note them down for troubleshooting. Next, verify your internet connection to rule out connectivity issues. Consider clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this may resolve temporary glitches. Try re-uploading the attachment to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, check the file size and file type restrictions set by your Jira admin. Make sure the file does not exceed the maximum size limit. Also, confirm that the file type is allowed for upload. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact your Jira administrator for assistance. Provide them with details about the missing attachments and any error messages you encountered. They may need to check Jira's backend for any potential data loss or system errors. If your organization has backups, inquire whether the attachment can be restored from a recent backup. If you have previously downloaded the attachment, retrieve it from your local storage and re-upload from there. Cross-check the permissions on the project and issue to ensure you have the required access to view attachments. Once the attachment has been successfully re-uploaded, verify that it appears correctly in the issue. If all else fails, consult the Atlassian support resources for further guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore Jira attachments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.